Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. This is our rose plant. All our rose plants died in the heat wave, that's why we planted it again. We had already uploaded a video on this, and in this video I'll give you the update of the rose plant. As you can see, the health of the rose plant is much better than before. After all that pruning, this rose plant has become bushier, and there are also buds in the rose plant. We shall always prune off the buds in the growing season, but me and my sister wanted to keep the buds, so my mom kept it for us. So now my mom will give some fertilizers to the plant which will help in the growth of the plant, and the fertilizer will help the plant get more bushier. But before giving any kind of fertilizer, we know to dig the soil of our plants. So here my mom is digging the soil. Digging the soil helps in the aeration of the plant, and it will let the roots breathe. Also during this process, it removes the weeds of our plants. As you know, weeds can hamper the growth of our plants, so it is essential to remove the weeds. While my mom is digging the soil, I'll tell you some simple care of the plants. First is to water your rose plants. Rose plants need lots of water, so make sure to water whenever the soil feels a little dry. Next step is to deadheading our blooms. Deadheading our blooms will help into making the plant more bushier. Also make sure to remove the dry, dead or damaged leaves. Also, I forgot to tell that my mom has planted the desi kind of roses because the hybrid ones may die in this season very easily. Also, this plant frequently gets aphid attack, so make sure to do regular checkups of your plants. As you all know, prevention is better than cure. So if you spray Bioenzyme solution, neem oil, then it can prevent the attacks. But if you still get it, then you can use some homemade solutions to get rid of it. And those all videos are in our channel only. Now let me tell you about the fertilizers. In this growing season, a good fertilizer is needed for our plant's growth. So the first one that you all can recognize is kitchen waste compost. This is a free of cost fertilizer that can be easily made in homes. Another one is tea leaf compost. This can be also easily made in home, and this is also free of cost. After this, no need to give any kind of fertilizers because this will fulfill the micro and macronutrients of your plants. And as you know, after giving any kind of fertilizers, watering is a must. So make sure to water your plants. That's all, we'll keep on giving you regular updates of our plants' health. If you liked this video, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy, bye bye.